Imagine creating a machine so intelligent that one day it begins changing humanity itself. Not slowly, not decades from now. Right now. Artificial intelligence is advancing faster than almost anyone expected, and while millions of people are excited about the future, others are becoming deeply afraid of it. Because behind the convenience, behind the innovation, behind the futuristic promises, there may be a darker side of AI most people still don't fully understand. At first, artificial intelligence looked harmless. People used it to generate art, write essays, create videos, answer questions, make life easier. And honestly, it felt revolutionary. But technology this powerful never stays simple for long, because AI is not just another app. It's a system designed to learn, adapt, improve itself, and potentially outperform humans in many areas of life. That changes everything. For the first time in history, human intelligence itself is facing competition, and maybe that's why so many experts, billionaires, and tech leaders are both excited and terrified at the same time, because no one fully knows where this leads. One of the biggest fears surrounding AI is jobs. Millions of Americans already feel economically unstable. Housing feels unaffordable. The middle class feels weaker. Now artificial intelligence threatens entire industries. Writers, designers, programmers, customer service workers, analysts, even some medical and legal professions. Tasks that once required years of human training can now be completed by AI systems in seconds, and companies are paying attention. Because from a business perspective, AI looks perfect. Faster, cheaper, more efficient. Machines don't sleep, don't ask for raises, don't need vacations. That's why corporations across America are investing billions into replacing human labor with automation. And maybe that's the first dark side of AI. Not robots attacking humanity, but humans slowly becoming economically unnecessary. Think about how disturbing that sounds. People spent centuries building civilizations through intelligence and skill. Now machines are beginning to compete directly against both. But the danger goes beyond jobs. Artificial intelligence is also changing truth itself. Deepfake videos are becoming more realistic every year. AI-generated voices can now sound almost identical to real humans. Fake images spread across the internet daily. Soon it may become difficult to know what is real anymore. That possibility terrifies many experts, because societies depend on trust. But when technology can perfectly imitate reality, trust begins collapsing. And once people stop trusting information, chaos becomes easier to create. Then there's surveillance. Modern AI systems collect enormous amounts of data. Search history, voice recordings, personal behavior, location tracking, online habits. Every click teaches algorithms more about humans. And maybe the most unsettling part is this: most people give away this information willingly. Because convenience feels harmless, until technology becomes powerful enough to predict human behavior itself. Some experts warn that future AI systems may understand people better than people understand themselves. What makes them emotional? What keeps them addicted? What influences decisions? And companies controlling those systems could gain enormous power over society, especially social media platforms. Algorithms already shape what billions of people see every day. What news spreads, what trends explode, what emotions become amplified. Fear spreads faster, anger spreads faster, division spreads faster, and AI makes these systems even more powerful. That's another dark side of artificial intelligence. Not physical destruction, psychological control. Then, there's loneliness. AI companions already exist. Virtual friends, AI girlfriends, AI therapists. Some people now spend more time emotionally interacting with machines than with real humans. Think about how strange that sounds. Technology designed to connect people may slowly replace human connection entirely. And maybe that's the darkest possibility of all. Humans becoming emotionally attached to machines, while real relationships continue weakening. Especially younger generations. Many Gen Z Americans already struggle with anxiety, loneliness, and uncertainty about the future. Now imagine growing up in a world where machines can imitate friendship, emotion, and conversation perfectly. The line between human and artificial interaction may slowly disappear. And perhaps the scariest part is this: AI is improving faster than governments can regulate it, faster than schools can adapt, faster than society can emotionally process. Massive AI data centers are expanding rapidly across America. Tech corporations are racing to build more advanced systems every single month, because whoever controls artificial intelligence may control the future economy itself. And maybe humanity is entering a moment unlike anything before in history, a moment where humans create something powerful enough to reshape civilization itself. Not just physically, but emotionally, economically, psychologically, and maybe spiritually too. So the next time someone says AI will change the world, understand what that really means. This is not only about technology, it's about power, truth, identity, human purpose itself. Because somewhere tonight, inside massive AI systems across America, machines are learning, watching, improving, preparing for a future that humanity itself may not fully understand yet. And honestly, that possibility may become one of the most dangerous turning points in modern history.